Guys, welcome back to a brand new video of Funny Silly Laffy, and in today's new video we're going to be pranking my dad, and in a pretty simple way. Going to be pranking my dad in today's video, so let's get started. So currently the timer on the video is 24 seconds and 84 milliseconds. Wow. Yeah, basically. But yeah, guys, welcome back to another video, and I'm gonna prank my dad on a clock. Now, I've done a stopwatch here. I've done a stopwatch on here since the video started. So yeah, I have done a stopwatch since the video started. Like exactly when the video started, that's when they started this. So yeah, it's time to prank my dad now. So we're gonna close out we're gonna open this back up. And then let's see. Let's go to we're gonna go to alarm. Now guys, we're gonna set up a bunch of alarms, and then like every single minute after the time it is right now. So it's currently 3:54 p.m. So yeah, it's 3:54 p.m. August 24, 2020. So it's currently, it's 3:54. Well, on the phone it says 3:55, but yeah, of course now it's 3:55. But let's set up these alarms. So I'm gonna add. Let's do this. Let's just do this. Now we're gonna go 56 save. 57 save. Let me show you guys this. So this is actually pretty cool. So let me show you guys this. So here it is. Here are all of the timers. So now you could add, and then you could go down, scroll down to 3:58, and then they press save, and it's very cool because it automatically saves and puts it on. Basically just puts the timer on. So that's sick. Still 3:55. Let's add some more of these boys. We're all out on this. So yeah, at the beginning of the video I said this is gonna be a very simple prank, and yes, it is. It is gonna be a very simple prank. So I got all the alarms set. It's sick. Like, it's really cool. But there's like wasps like 6 feet, 7 feet away from me. Like a black wasp right there. Black wasps. But yeah. Let me go ahead and give a shout out to Jojo, my friend. Hey Joe? Joe? Hey Jojo and Lucy? No answering, but yeah. It's really cool. So let's try to. I'm gonna put the volume all the way up, so it will be sick. Volume all the way up, because we want this prank to be absolutely crazy, and the craziest that can be at the smallest level. So let's do it. But I just set up the prank. But anyways, that's gonna wrap it up for this awesome video. Leave a like, subscribe to my awesome YouTube channel, and I'll see you all next time. Bye everyone.